So guys, hello. Today we will want to show you which exercise we do and why we don't have back pain relief, because we do this exercise. So let's go.
Why we don't have what?
Back pain.
Back pain relief.
Yes, back pain relief. And so take this position, table pose, and we will do a warming up. And the first one will be this: our shoulders go up. Yes, breathe in and breathe out, go down. Yes, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, super. The next one will be this. Make wild position of your hands and try to put your shoulders to the another side. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so this is 2 exercises about warming up. It's very cool, and after that we can begin to more difficult exercise. So let's go. Breathe in. We up our left hand. Don't move your hip, not this position, only straight position. And after that, breathe out and try to put your shoulders to the mat. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, 8. So fix this position. Try to up your right leg, right hand, I'm so sorry, and I also will press. So straight legs, please, and let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, super. After that, have a little rest and let's change our hands. So breathe in and breathe out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and also the last one, 8. Put shoulders and try to put your left hand and press. Okay. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, super. After that, go to the position, child. Bend our back, yes, and give a little rest. So if you will do a little rest, it will save you energy for another exercise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so after that, go to your stomach. Yes, stay. Put your hands to line the chest, yes, breathe this way. And what we do, we will do pushes, yes, so we breathe in and breathe out, go down. So let's go. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, breathe in and breathe out, go down. Also have a little rest. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, after that, straight our hands, and what we do? We up our right leg and try to pull to your hand. Yes, and after that gently come back. Gently come back and try to do this another your leg. So, and let's go. One leg. And another. Okay, change. Okay, change. And stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And another one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, super. And after that, go to the position child for compensation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So after that, we will do this position. We straight our leg, hands, and try to put your chest to the floor. Puppy pose. It is puppy pose. And so wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so also breathe in and breathe out and gently go out from this position to position child. And after that, you also can try to do Cobra pose. We go out from baby pose. So we breathe in, we close your hips, don't do this, only this. So we bring our weight and give to the hands. After that, go down and breathe out, open your hips and come back. So let's try. Breathe in and breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, 8. And breathe out. So rest. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and the last one will be waves on another side. Yes, by this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And also another way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so also do rounds by your leg, yes, also for compensation. Few times for another side and few times to another. Okay guys, thank you so much for spending this time with us. If you have any questions for us, please ask. We everything read. It's very important for us. And also thank you so much and see you soon. Bye bye.